Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a pre-spring haul, and this is gonna be the first of a few hauls. This is just my Zara stuff, just because I've just kind of been stopping in there as they're getting their spring stuff. So I collected quite a few things that I want to show you. There'll be more hauls to come with not, as much Zara stuff. For those of you guys who don't love Zara, or if you just, prefer shopping elsewhere, there will be other hauls coming, so stay tuned for that. So we'll go ahead and start with the beauty products. First, I have the Color Science Total Eye 3-in-1 Renewal Repair, and it's really cool. It's got this like really cold piece of metal here, so it kind of like, deflates your puffiness. It adds a really, really good color, and I actually have been putting this on before my foundation to hide my dark circles, and it's really helped me. So I'll do this, the foundation, and then my milk concealer over it, and it's like perfect. Second, I got the Replica Lazy Sunday Morning perfume. This is just a great smell. It's not too florally, it's not too strong. It's a really good everyday perfume. They're pretty pricey, but this is one of those perfumes that will stay with you all day long. Next is the Josie Maran Milk Argan Hydrating Treatment to put on before my makeup. So I will mix this and my Tarte H2O water gel moisturizer, and it really gives me like a dewy foundation look, which I absolutely love. So this is gonna be like a new staple in my makeup routine. Next is something that I have heard so much about, but I have not tried, and it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. If you guys love the smell of watermelon, damn, that's good. All right, that's it for my little beauty haul. It was like 4 things. I thought it was more than that. But we'll go ahead and get into the TOPSHOP clothes. The first thing is, shocker, a floral dress. Love the colors. I love how it's got like 3 tiers to it, and it's got this really pretty ruffle at the bottom. But I can see this for pre-spring with like some cool black booties, just to kind of make it a little bit more edgy, and it's just one of those really comfortable, easy dresses. TOPSHOP is this black balloon sleeve crop top. It's got like a laser cut on the neckline. Structured, it's pretty thick balloon sleeve, and then it's got an open back. And it ties, you can crisscross, and it ties in the front, or you can tie it in the back, whatever you prefer. But yeah, I just love little tops like this for when I'm going out and I just want a good basic black top that's fitted but not so revealing. So this was perfect. Next from TOPSHOP is this printed one. I just love the print. I think it's really pretty, and it kind of looks like Equipment does really great tops like this, except Equipment tops are like $250, like $190-ish. So I thought this was a steal, and I love a good print, and I love these colors. Pink metallic sweater, and it's got these really cool blue sleeves. Wait, hold on, do I have a problem? Yeah, I probably have a problem, but that's okay. I have the brand YAS, and I know TOPSHOP sells this brand on their site as well as ASOS, but I don't know, I just thought it was really girly and fun and kind of interesting, and I thought it'd be really pretty with light colored denim or this like really dark colored denim. We are gonna get into the Zara stuff now. I have one sale item, and I really try to not show you guys sale items because here in New York, I mean, there's still like a whole floor of sale stuff, and I know in like smaller Zara's and other cities, there is not as much sale. So I feel like it's not fair if I'm showing you something and there's no way that you can go find it or buy it. But I grabbed this while I was there. It's just a really long, oversized denim vest, and I think this is such a good staple to have if you're wanting like a light colored layer, or even like a lightweight layer. I think this is so great over like a cream sweater. And I like how there's no collar. It's just kind of like a raw cut right here, and I really, really love that. This is a pink dress with this like metallic and black woven threads in it. It's so cool. I would do this with a black skinny. I would layer a jacket over it. You could wear it as a dress with some booties. It's just really, really pretty. And then they had other colors, but I thought this pink was super cool. I've been like really loving this kind of mauvey, dusty rose pink lately. Next is this little basic balloon sleeve top. Almost looks heavy, like almost a sweater, but it's not. It's very lightweight, so I knew I could wear this when it gets even a little bit warmer outside. If I'm still wanting that balloon sleeve, oversized look, this will be perfect for days like that. In the fitting room, I tried this top on with all of the bottoms that I had in there, and it worked perfectly. So I know I'll get a lot of use out of this top. So this next dress, I wasn't 100% set on, but I got home and I tried it on with an outfit and I really loved it. It's got a faux leather pleated bottom, and it's just like a blue, really pretty pinstriped blue button top to it. And it's short. You know, so many layered looking dresses like this, but they're long and it like looks weird, but I like this one because it's short. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep this because after I tried it on with the full outfit, I was sold on it. Is this button down, and it's just a really long oversized button down, and I feel like you can't have too many of this type of top in just different colors and prints. Great for when you're wanting a long layered look. It's great for when you want to wear it open with something underneath it. This is just really easy. You dress it up, dress it down. I love tops like this. And I thought the colors were just really fun. Again, it's this really pretty pinky peach color, and I loved the green and the black mixed in with it. Next is this top, and I was not sure about it on the hanger. I was like, this could be one of those tops that I tried on and I really love it. And I tried it on, fell in love with it. I just thought the idea was so cool. I love the sleeves and I love the color. Just a really fun, basic top. Yeah, it's just one of those tops, you know, if you're wearing basic black skinnies and you're just looking for a cool top to wear with it, you don't want too much going on, but you want something kind of trendy and fun, I think a top like this is perfect. Is this blue button down, and I fell in love with this top as soon as I saw it. There's really not much to it, but there's details in it that I just was obsessed with. Like, I love this oversized pointy collar. I think that is so cool and very like Western, and I really liked the black bold stitching and the big buttons. It also has like a side gap on the side, side cap on the side. Little unique things like this about basic, just blue button downs, I think is kind of what draws me to stuff like this. Who's texting me during my haul? Next, I have some bottoms to show you. This skirt, this isn't a pencil skirt, but it's also not a full skirt. It's just kind of a straight down with a little bit of body to it. And again, it's black with a bold white stitching and this really pretty like oversized belt kind of already built into it. I just thought the fit was really fun. You know, you could like dress this down with a graphic tee, or you could dress it up with a blouse and wear it to work. So very versatile, super, super lightweight, and I love that it's black and white. Next, some of you guys are gonna hate, but it's fine because I love it. Bermuda shorts. They are like a gingham Bermuda short. Something my mom would have totally rocked in the 80s. I just think they're so cool. They're a little thicker too, so they're perfect for, you know, like beginning of spring or even really just all of spring. Probably a little too warm for summer because they are so thick, but even if you are in a colder climate, like right now, you could do these with tights and it would be really cute. What do you know? Another pair of Bermuda shorts. I just got basic black. I don't really have a dressy pair like this. Most of mine are like cotton material with an elastic waistband. So I thought I would get a dressy pair for when I do want to look a little bit more dressed up, a little bit more professional. I thought these were perfect. Next is the color that I'm obsessing over. It's this pink dusty rose color. They look a little Pepto-Bismol-y pink in the camera, but they are like a true dusty rose color. Same type of oversized belt, and they're just like wide leg culottes. It's gonna be perfect for spring, and I love this color with black too. Dusty rose and black is a really pretty color contrast. I think like the dark and then the super soft pastel light of the two colors combined is just really pretty and eye-catching. I love these. I had to go to another Zara to find these in my size, but it's the TRF brand collection from Zara, but it's basically just these black paper bag high waist denim. Super soft. They almost feel like cotton, like they almost don't even feel like denim. It's like that really, really, really soft denim. Such a cute fit. Dress them up, dress them down. I never thought I would get another pair of high-waisted black skinnies, anything other than BDG, because that's what I've always bought. But I tried these on and just like fit me perfect. They're super stretchy. I can't believe I'm cheating on my other black high-waisted jeans, but they're like ripping and they're also fading, so it's time to replace them. When you squat down and you stand up and your jeans like stretched out a mile, these are the kind of jeans that just like suck right back in. Next, I got another Baker Boy hat because that's exactly what I needed. All my other Baker Boy hats are like leather and corduroy, very like winter. So I thought I would get one that is basic, plain, like nothing to it, no texture, no, you know, thickness to it. Just good little basic one. Really messed my hair up there. Now I have 2 pairs of shoes. Let's see. First we have these for spring. I want the Stella McCartney ones so bad, but they're so expensive. So then when I saw these, I was like, okay, these will do. And they've got a really nice toe. Usually on shoes like these, I hate a round toe. So these are more pointed, almost like almondy, which I don't mind at all. I think they give it a nice look. Cute, and they're actually very comfortable, and they're probably gonna get super dirty. So next I got these flats, which I've been eyeballing online for the longest time, and they were like the first thing I saw when I walked into the store. So I had to grab a pair because I was like, those are perfect. I will wear these so much. And this is a good way to incorporate black into your spring and summer wardrobe, is to, you know, have a little pearl and throw in a little bit of color in there. All right, that is it for my haul. I'm sorry if I'm a little like weird and being kind of quiet, but you guys probably don't know this because I'm editing it out, but I'm literally coughing every other scene, like hacking out my lungs. So I'm trying to like talk really quiet so I don't bother my throat. And I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Ingrid and Katie, who work at Zara on 5th Ave. Not the one in front of Bryant Park, but the one by St. Patrick's Cathedral. They work at that Zara. She was like, can I start you a fitting room? And I turned around and she was like, oh my God, you're Ashley Brooke. And I was like, you watch the channel? And she was like, yes. And then she went and got Katie, and Katie came over and we were just talking, and they were honestly so nice. And it's reasons like that that I only shop at that Zara, because the employees are so nice. And that's just 2 examples of just like genuine nice people. One of the biggest Zara's, and they have so many employees, and I talk to somebody different every time, and everyone's always just so nice. So if you guys are in the city, go to that Zara. I just wanted to tell you guys on camera, thank you, because I looked for you guys before I left, but I couldn't find you to say bye. So here I am saying bye and thank you, and I'm sure I'll see you guys again soon. I'm sure you noticed all of the tags are on the clothes. And I know I've gotten a couple of comments before saying the reason that the tags are on is because I'm gonna return it all after I do the haul, but I've literally never done that before. I buy it because I like it, and you will see it in future videos. So it's really kind of a stupid thing to say. And if I'm on the fence about something, I will always tell you. Like the one blue dress, I was like, kind of on the fence about it, but we're gonna try to make it work. I wouldn't tell you guys to go buy something and then I'm gonna go return it. That's like not fair. I would never make you spend money on something that I genuinely like wouldn't buy for myself and style myself. So and the reason I do these hauls is to not like, you know, be like, oh, look what I got. It's so you can see what I'm going to be styling in my future videos. 3 weeks from now, if I'm styling one of these items and it's already sold out, like I'm giving you a chance now, if you like it, to purchase it. So you can see how I style it and get some inspiration for that. So as always, for more info, go sign up for the Life of Hair magazine. The URL is in the description box as well as right here somewhere. So go check it out. Digital magazine that my team and I create. It gets sent out at the first of each month, and it literally has everything from like beauty, home, like lifestyle, health, fitness, fashion, all shoppable links. Our team is just growing, our design team is growing, so it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited to see what is to come. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I can't wait to style all of these items for you. Bye.